Hello friends, when iron is mixed with carbon and other metals, steel is formed. When we add chromium at minimum 11% and other elements to steel, a stainless steel is formed. There are more than 100 types of stainless steels available in the market. From a naked eye, it can be extremely difficult to tell the difference between different grades of stainless steel. In this video, we will discuss the differences between most widely used grades of stainless steels, that is SS304 and SS316. So let us start. SS304 stainless steel contains 18% chromium and 8% nickel. This is considered to be one of the most popular stainless steels available in the market. Whereas stainless steel of 316 grade contains 16% chromium, 10% nickel and 2% molybdenum. The increased nickel content and inclusion of molybdenum allows for grade 316 stainless steel to have a better chemical resistance, better corrosion resistance than 304 stainless steel. So one can think that if we increase the content of molybdenum in SS316, then can we get better results? The answer is, if we increase molybdenum content in SS316, it can have a serious consequences on formability. Formability means ability of metal to be formed into a desired shape without cracking. That's why this molybdenum content is limited to 2%. Otherwise, we won't be able to form curved and complex designs from SS316 stainless steel. So when we talk about formability, SS304 is better than SS316. Uses: seawater and salt air can be especially damaging to metals. Besides the rough environment of sea and marine applications, chlorides such as salt can eat away even the toughest metals. Salt will even compromise the protective oxide layer of grade 304 stainless steel, resulting in rust. So that's why SS304 is best suited for less corrosive environments such as indoor electrical enclosures, kitchen equipments and appliances, storage tanks, wheel covers, building facades, heat exchangers, pressure vessels and other applications involving freshwater environments. On the other hand, SS316 has the ability to resist acids, chlorides and salts, hence it is more suitable for seawater environments and marine applications. Because of its greater resistance to oxidation, it is also widely used in refinery equipments, fasteners, pulp and paper processing equipment, chemical equipments, outdoor electrical enclosures, pharmaceutical applications, and surgical instrumentation. In such applications, 316 stainless steel will last longer than 304, providing you with extra years of life and usage. Also, if the material will be submerged in water or have a consistent exposure to water, then SS316 is best suited. Overall, 316 can be worth the expense if you need to have a superior corrosion resistance. Cost: the price of SS304 in India is approximately 150 rupees per kg, whereas the cost of SS316 is about 1.5 times the cost of SS304. The price of stainless steel depends on price of alloying element and the amount of alloy. Example given: nickel, chromium and molybdenum. The price of molybdenum is about twice that of nickel and 6 times that of chromium. The price of SS316 in India is approximately 250 rupees per kg. Now let us understand how to identify SS304 and SS316 grade stainless steel. You need a 9-volt battery and there is a molybdenum detector chemical available in the market. Please note, I am not promoting any brand here. If you want to check similar chemicals, then you just have to type molybdenum detector solution on Google. You will get the list of chemicals. Just for showing image, I have shown these products. You just have to put a drop of chemical on the metal, then put negative pole of 9-volt battery on the drop and positive pole on the metal. Then remove the current and observe. If drop becomes red and remains red for long time, then it is SS316. And if it turns red and disappears immediately, then it is SS304. So friends, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.